What's up, guys? Good morning. Let's talk about two of my favorite dogs today, and that is Dogwifhat and Dogecoin. You guessed it. So the first one we're going to talk about is Whiff because this is on a crazy run right now. It's currently trading at 86.19. And by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm not financial advice. It's all my own opinion. My mic is on, so we're good to go. I recommend you do even more research, but we've been talking about Whiff for quite some time, and I'm gonna make it super simple for you guys. I look at the MACD, I look at the stochastic. We talk about the RSI also, and this helps you understand where a stock or crypto is moving. So I'm gonna break that down for you today. All I ask is that you drop a like, subscribe, of course. You know the deal. So what I think is happening is right here. We are at the white arrows. The last time this happened for Whiff, where we started to get the MACD crossing bullish on a daily time frame, and also I'll just note, if you look at a weekly, it looks extremely bullish right now. So, but the last time this happened was when Whiff bottomed last time, around a dollar to, it went down from $1 to $1.30. It bottomed over here. And then what happened? It went on a monster rally and it topped all the way above 450. So go from $1 to 450. You can do the math. That was your return on investment if you would have bought over here. These white arrows is exactly where I think we are today for Whiff. I think we're right here for Whiff, and we're going to go on a monster rally. But here's the short-term price target that I would have for you guys. Is about $1.30 to $1.40. This line right here, there's going to be a ton of resistance, so you want to be aware of that. You could see before this was support back in the day where the white arrow is, and then we broke here, which turned it into resistance. So we're going to go up, we're going to test it. The question is, are we going to break it? I believe ultimately Whiff's going to go a lot higher, but that's just something you want to be aware of as short-term resistance. So if you're trying to trade this crypto, which is very volatile, it moves very fast, it's up 15% right now, I think, in the last like 12 to 24 hours. People that are with me the longest make the most money. You could see 4 days ago. I mean, that's not even a long time. Some ideas for Whiff crypto. This was priced at 54.95. I talked about the MACD, the RSI. Short-term price target would be 105. We're going to talk about this today. Whiff is at 86 cents right now and hit over 92 cents last night. What about Ondo Crypto on April 20th? This is a huge buying opportunity, in my opinion, here at 82.9. Talk about the stochastic, I talk about Fibonacci, I talk about the Bitcoin dominance, a lot of different factors. Ondo is now priced at $1.03. So congrats if you have been buying with my posts and my alerts that I send out. This one's just getting started. April 21st, Litecoin, you still have time. Current price was $80. I list 4 reasons why I'm bullish on Litecoin. Litecoin's now priced at $101. Guys, this is just getting started. Make sure you lock in with me. Links are down below. Join the monthly or the yearly tier, and you're going to see everything that I talk about with crypto and stocks, and also my exit strategies. And it could crash 10 to 15% in a matter of a couple hours. So it's not one that I would hold forever, but it definitely has a lot of potential with what I'm seeing here. What about my other favorite dog, Dogecoin? Okay, we've already taken this rally before back in the day. This was October, November. We bought at 9-10 cents. Members were alerted. People made a ton of money on Dogecoin. And then we started to take profit as it came up and even as it came down. And then we bought back in, right? I think I bought $10,000 worth of Dogecoin. I posted it on X. I posted on YouTube. I bought at 17 cents. Well, currently Dogecoin is priced at, what is Dogecoin at? I got to pull up on my end. I think it's at 22 cents right now. Let's see. So Dogecoin is at, 22.45. So where do we go from here? Ultimately, I think Dogecoin is going to make new all-time highs. I think the same situation right here with the white arrows, this is where we're at. You can see the MACD started to curl up and Dogecoin went on a monster rally. I believe the same thing is going to happen, but you see this white line right here, so that's going to act as resistance. I'll just tell you guys, because you're subscribed to my channel, you drop likes every time, and I truly appreciate you. On our way to 100,000 subscribers on this channel, because my charts help you, and I make it very simple for you. 29 to 30 cents is going to be the next level of resistance for Dogecoin, so just be aware of that. If you're trying to exit crypto and you're just done with all of this, that would be a great spot, I would feel like, because we might get some pullbacks for a couple days or even a week. So just understand that trend lines do work, Fibonacci levels do work, and I'm pretty sure that is a Fibonacci level also. I could test it actually real quick on my end, and let's see the Fibonacci levels from here, and I'll just share it with you guys. So we just passed the 236 level. The 236 level was priced at 21 cents. The next area, guys, is 26 cents. That's the 382 level. And then guess what? The 50 is right at 30 cents, 30 to 31 cents. So the 50 is right where that white line is right here. Okay. Strong resistance. It's probably going to happen. If we blast through that, you want to look at 35 to 36 cents. That's the 618 level. And then the 786 level. And once we break the 786 level, this thing will see 68 to 70 cents, I think, very soon. The 786 level is 40 cents. So if you're just zooming out and you want to wait until the massive run, I would study the daily and the weekly time frame. Of course, I have a training video on this in my Patreon. The links are down below. You just go to shop and you'll see it there. But if you're just kind of like hanging out, I would probably wait until at least 68 to 70 cents because I definitely think that's going to happen. If you see that white line way over here, I can't change it on this screen for you, but there's an uptrend right now for Dogecoin, and it lines up perfectly with the 1.618 level, which is 68 to 70 cents. So this is how I'm playing it. But are we going to end up stopping out here? Well, that depends on the weekly RSI. I think everything is extremely oversold still. I believe we're going to have a massive rally going into June also. Today's May 10th. So if you're just watching this video for the first time and you're brand new and you have no money invested in crypto, well, I think you understand where my mindset is at. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You should do what you want to do. But yeah, I mean, that's all I have to say. So these are my two favorite dogs. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to drop a like. Enjoy your Saturday. I'm about to go take my son to a jump place where they have big trampolines, and we got to go kill time today because weekends are fun. And it's like 95 degrees in California today. Wish me luck.